Hello everybody, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today we are baking radishes. The ingredients that you will need is cracked pepper, some EVOO, and Lawry seasoned salt. Okay everybody, we got the radishes ready with the Lawry seasoned salt on them, the cracked pepper, and the EVOO. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put these in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25-35 minutes until you can put a fork through them. Okay everyone, here's our baked radishes. For about 25-35 minutes we cooked them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that way every time we come on you'll know. And then I want to thank you again for watching our video. Be safe, take care. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.